In this video, we will be replacing the interior light bulbs in this 2018 Jeep Compass with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting.
For this installation, you'll need a curved trim puller tool. Slide the trim tool into the edge of the light housing and pry the clips free. There are two more clips closest to the windshield. Pull the housing away from the windshield to remove it. You can see how the rear clips fit into the slots and the front clips hang on the light housing. Remove the map light socket by tipping the socket towards the front. Pull the incandescent bulb from the socket and replace with the LED. Test it and replace the socket back into the housing. Now repeat the same steps for the driver's side map light. Remove the socket and pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace with the LED bulb and test it. Push the socket back into the housing. Line up the clips near the windshield and push the housing onto the clips. Lift the back side of the housing up until the clips lock in place. For this installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. Slide your trim tool under the edge of the mirror to pry it out. Slide the mirror down to release the whole housing. There are clips holding the mirror in all around the edges. Pull the incandescent bulb out. Replace with the LED bulb on both sides. When reinstalling the mirror, use your tool to guide the clips back into place. Don't force the clips. For this installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. The dome light in this Jeep is under the safety handles. Hold the handle down and use your trim tool to pry free the cover on one side and then on the other. Wiggle and pull the whole assembly down by the cover. You can see how these tabs keep it locked in place. Now use your tool to pry the light assembly from the handle. Pry open the side of the light opposite the on and off. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED bulb, and test it. Slide in one side of the cover and push the other side back in. Line up the locking tabs on the light housing and push it back in until it locks. Feed the whole assembly back up, pushing the handle clips back in. Lock the tabs by pushing the cover back up. Here is what the new LED bulbs look like compared to the original incandescent bulbs. For this installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. Slide your tool into the gap to push in the locking tab. You can see here how it closes when it's pushed in. Use the flat edge of your tool to open the clips holding the lens onto the light socket. Slide the socket off the lens. Pull the incandescent bulb out, replace with the LED bulb, and test it. Slide the socket back onto the lens until it locks in place. Push the back end of the assembly back in, and then push the other end in until it clicks in place.